Alright, so we're back, day 2, working on the 86. Man, the intro from yesterday wasn't even funny, hey?
No, you really blew that one.
Yeah, fuck. It's alright.
Alright, so as you can remember, we removed the
Battery
as
tray.
you remember, we took out the battery tray yesterday, and then there's this fucking rust underneath it. So today we're gonna try to patch this rust and then weld up the holes we drilled, because we drilled out the
Spot welds.
spot welds.
We're a little tired today, as you can tell.
So we bought this piece of fucking sheet metal from Crappy Tire. We've never done anything like this before. So yeah, it's probably gonna turn out dicked. If you know what you're doing and you think we're doing it wrong, fucking keep it to yourself. Just a fair warning. This might be fucked because we have no idea what we're doing. This is the first time we're trying it, but yeah, we're gonna try to cut this out. Welding a new piece today.
It's gonna be a learning experience for sure, hey? Are we gonna try and fill all the holes as well?
No, I don't want to paint everything.
Fill that one there. Well, let's get started, man.
Okay.
The machinery ready to chooch.
Can't remember what it's called. I think is it a die grinder.
Who knows?
Fucking Black Widow in here, man. All right, so we're gonna try to grind this back a bit. Got the 80 grit fucking sanding wheel on this bitch. We'll give her a chooch. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I think this is right. I think I saw someone do this in a YouTube video. We'll give it a go.
Yo, this is the first time in a video we've used some safety
What?
protection, eh? Safety protection for our ears.
What?
We're using safety protection for our ears. It's the first time in a video.
I can't hear you over the safety protection we're using for the first time in a video.
What?
What?
I can't hear you, man.
I'm too safe right now because this is the first time we're using safety equipment in a video. I can't hear what you're saying.
I can't hear anything you're saying, man.
I'm saying
safety equipment. This is the first time we've ever used it in the video.
I don't know what you're saying.
I'm saying-
wearing safety equipment.
I can't hear
it's
shit,
the first
man.
time. What the fuck
I can't
are you
hear
saying?
anything you're saying.
Man,
Man.
it's the first
Shut
time.
up, man. Let me speak.
I can't hear what you're
Fuck
saying. over
off,
this
man. Get
safety
to
equipment.
work. Never mind.
Shut up, man.
Never mind.
Fuck off.
Never mind. Fuck you, man.
Alright guys, Noah and I are using... Shut up, man!
I can't hear you, man. Actually,
Okay.
that joke's gonna go on way too long. We should probably stop right
Yeah, fuck off. Alright, Noah and I are using safety equipment. And we started grinding away at the rust here, as you can see. Noah's just gonna try to get the rest of the fuck, this autofocus is bum as shit, man.
Is it too dark, maybe?
No, it's just of the battery tray off. Thing's a bitch and a half.
You wanna try and get me a sharper screwdriver? This one's
No.
dull as fuck, look at it. Alright, so I'm not too sure where we left off last on the filming, but we got everything down to bare metal, and we're gonna probably start cutting. I think Adam's looking for a Sharpie so we can make a template for that piece. Oh, he was just taking a piss. Yeah, so we're still fucked. That's the moral of that story. Anyways, what do you figure, man?
I figure...
Jeez.
Yeah, cut that out. We're just gonna cut out a piece of metal and kind of just see if we can hammer it into shape. Because me and Noah have never done anything like this. We just watched like a fucking YouTube video. So honestly, we're just gonna cut out a piece of metal. We'll probably take a bunch of tries at this. Doesn't really matter, just learning, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna cut out a piece of metal, see if we can hammer it into shape.
And then tack her on and see how it goes, I guess, right?
Yeah, and if that works, then yeah, we'll go from there.
If that works, we'll consider ourselves experienced and professional, and you can hit us up in the actually don't do that.
And there's so much shit on the lens.
Yeah, it's kind of scaring me. I think it's like metal flake. Once you
Well,
start,
I need
can't
you to
stop,
hold the piece of metal. Such a nice angle around here, bro. It's got the trigger on it compared to mine, which is just a switch. Alright.
Alright, let's go cut that piece out of the car now, I guess.
Well, no, first let's try to hammer this into shape.
Alright, man.
Alright, get out the way, man.
so I can get max angle on this.
Holy fuck.
It's pretty high.
Hope it doesn't fall forward. Brace me out of spec.
Oh, that would be fucking terrible.
That'd be a bit of a bummer, eh?
Oh, no doubt.
Actually, you're right. Hit that right there. What the fuck? Why'd you do that? Oh, that's not good, man. I don't want to look at that. Oh, no! Alright. Should I stop this clip, man?
Yeah.
Noah just hit his thumb with the hammer. Let's see it. Oh, I don't want to look at it. Show it to the camera.
Fuck, that hurt really bad, dude. We got it all wrapped up and we're good to go. Back at it. Shit only exploded just a little bit.
Yeah, it sounds like when you bite into a grape.
No doubt.
Alright. It's kind of fucked, like, I don't know. I mean, it fits kind of nice in there. What we could do is cut it out and then trace it from the bottom. Like, cut out like the rust, like go like boom, 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 and then come in from the bottom, because then there's gonna be a hole, and then put this over it and then trace it from the bottom. You know what I'm saying?
Alright. We'll check back in once we
Figure out what we're gonna do here.
yeah.
Get everything situated. Yeah, this cut's gonna be fucked with this thing. Like this. Alright, so again, we have no idea what we're doing, but we just cut out the piece of rust. Like that. And then we're gonna kind of, first I'm gonna clean up the edges on that with the die grinder, whatever it's called, and then we'll like cut out a piece. We'll see. But yeah, cause if we put this here, I can like see in the hole. Like that's it's pretty close to like perfectly covering it here. It's just this needs to come down back here, like right here. So I can see from the bottom the hole we cut, and this area here has to come down, so we'll hammer that down, and over here, and then it's pretty close to fitting nicely, and then we'll just trace it and cut it. But right now I'm just gonna clean up this cut. Yeah, with this bitch over here. Right, we have our piece, we got our safeties, we're gonna grind it a bit. This seems dangerous.
Don't fucking let go of that thing. Alright, okay, update. We got the plate that we made all ground down. It fits pretty good. See the hole in there. So Adam's gonna get the welder out and we're gonna tack the first corner in and then bend everything else into place, and hopefully it doesn't look like shit. Guess we'll find out though, eh?
Okay, again, we have zero skills, so please no making fun of the welding skills, because we have no idea what's going on. Oh, fuck.
John Pizza.
Day 2. We're back. We just finished up welding up all the holes we were gonna weld.
We're not gonna look at those.
Yeah, we won't. I don't know why I'm yelling. I'm just gonna kind of fuck myself.
Cause you got the safeties, man.
Got the safeties on. But yeah, we're just gonna flap everything down. We're not gonna show you what it looks like now because it looks really fucking bad.
The welds are atrocious because we have no idea what.
But we'll pick up the camera in like 20 minutes and then we'll show you everything all ground down and then we'll do a skim coat of Bondo and it'll probably turn out pretty good. So.
Right on.
Yeah, I think this might actually work out, man.
That's crazy. Who would have known 2 boys from Ohio could pull this shit off?
Alright, update. Shit's not working at all. Oh, I just looked into the weld. Yeah, we got some holes going on.
Where's the camera here?
It's right there on the thing. Shit's not working at all.
Fuck my life!
This isn't going too well. I keep burning through the metal.
Because it's paper thin.
Because it's
like
way too
welding
thin.
tinfoil.
It's like welding tinfoil. Anything else you want to say? Someone flattered it too much, definitely was not me.
Man, you're
Maybe you fucking welded it too much. How about that, huh?
What?
Yeah, that's right.
Your fucking mom's cow's milk tastes like shit.
We got this side pretty much all ready to go. If it'll focus. So like, it's all flappered down, ready for Bondo. Working on the driver's side still. Hopefully it all works out. Adam, what do you think so far?
Well, see, the thing is, Noah and I have 0 skill in general, and then
You're not wrong, man.
we have negative skill when it comes to bodywork, welding, even fucking flapper disking. We absolutely have negative skill. So this is just absolutely zoinkus doinkus. It's just a goddamn nightmare, man. So you better like this video, because the boys are out here struggling. Fuck, man, we're going 1 step forward.
10 steps back.
Even more than 10. We're literally going 30 back. 1 forward, 30 back. So it's some bullshit. I feel kind of like crying. I want to go home. My back hurts.
So pretty much, as of right now, the passenger side's ready for Bondo. It's good enough.
Good enough. Yeah, we're just like, if we keep touching this, it's just gonna get worse.
Driver's side, we're not gonna even show you guys. It's a fucking nightmare looking at it right now. Yeah, it's not good.
Like, makes me want to throw up a bit.
We're gonna wait for Ben to get home from work, see what he can do.
Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep going at this.
Yeah.
Trying to, the metal's so thin, and the welder, both, like my welder at home and the welder Ben has here, is kind of the lower end, cheaper welders, where you only have like 2 kind of like voltage settings. It's either 1 or 2, and it's just, it's too much for this metal. Well, even welding in any situation on this thin of metal is just fucked, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep trying, do our best, because that's all we can do.
Alright, so we haven't picked up the camera in like 2 hours.
Hello, motherfuckers!
Want to explain what happened?
Oh my god, so we just found more and more rust, and we're trying to patch it, and the metal was like literally tinfoil. So we ended up just fucking cutting all this out, and then just shaping a new piece of metal in there, and then welding it in. Welded it all up. Actually worked out pretty well. And then we just put a little skim coat of Bondo on it. Not really a skim coat, it's kind of dumb tick on both sides. And then, yeah.
And then we put seam sealer underneath as well.
Yeah, seam sealer underneath, and then we'll undercoat under it. And yeah. Noah still needs to seam seal this side.
Shit.
And then, yeah. I guess that's it for this video. Next video, we'll sand this. Probably put another coat of Bondo on, depending how dicked it is. And then paint these areas. Try to at least. And then I think we're gonna go pick up the swap, which will be the video after that.
What do you think, Ben?
Swappy poo. Are you doing the red for the engine bay color?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I only think we need to paint these things. I'd like to paint like this looks like shit.
Yeah.
I don't know how you get that out though. This looks like shit. That looks like shit. Everything looks like shit.
Alright.
Just spray it all black.
Give him a question.
Question.
Comment.
Yeah. First you gotta comment.
What do they comment?
But comment the question of, if you had to wipe your body down with any lubricant from a vehicle, what would it be?
Why are you wiping it down?
Well, like just to get ready. Like, yeah.
There you go. Comment.
All right. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more on the 86, and
Yeah.
we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, no fucking doubt, man.
Skidoo, man.